Hey guys, welcome back. So we just had some pretty heavy rains here for a couple days, and it just ended. It's gonna turn for the brighter. We're gonna take them out, go explore down at the stream and back all the way in the back at the state forest, and it's getting lush out back. Everything's turning real green, so take you along for a ride. I'll time lapse you all the way till we get back to the state forest. Do a little freaking stupid ball entertainment with the dogs for a few minutes. We'll do a little zip back here and some time lapse, and we'll call it a day and show you what we got going on. So without further ado, here we go. Thor. Come. So yeah, this is the state forest. Nice out here, get a little background sound of the water. Real buggy, that's what all the hoods are all about. This is just a vape, no weed in it, just nicotine. Very low level nicotine, quit smoking, no more drinking. Yeah, a couple months at least without drinking. So, yeah. Gonna time lapse it back and see you back at the house. No, I did not. Good deal. All right, boys, come on. Outside. Come on, boys.
Go. Come on, Chase.
Inside. Come. Chase, come.
Thank you.
Good boy.
Thank you. You're sweet.
All right, so that's it. We done for the rides for the day. Swamp things are drinking water. And tired. I'm going to sit down. Thanks for joining us. We'll see you next time.
Bye.